Welcome to ABC Kids Learning Class. Today, let's explore the alphabet together. Get ready to learn with us.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dolphin.
D for dolphin.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jelly.
J for jelly.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nose.
N for nose.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pineapple.
P for pineapple.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for star.
S for star.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for Christmas tree.
X for Christmas tree.
Y for yogurt.
Y for yogurt.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Hello kids. Today, let's begin learning about numbers and fruits and their name.
1 apple. 2 2 watermelons. 3 2 3 mangoes. 4 2 3 4 bananas. 5 2 3 4 5 pineapples. 6 2 3 4 5 6 kiwis. 7 2 3 4 5 6 7 peaches. 8 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 strawberries. 9 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 cherries. 10 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 blueberries. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.